Okay, let's say you had a problem like 23 plus 48 plus 34. The first thing you want to do is add up all the tens. And the tens digits are, so that your tens are the 2, the 4, and the 3. But because they're in the tens place, it's going to be 20 plus 40 plus 30. Now, to add all these up, 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 3 more is 9, but it's in the tens place. So it's going to be the answer of 9 with a 0 on the end, 90. We got to do the same thing with our ones. We've got a 3, an 8, and a 4. So we add up 3 plus 8 plus 4. So 3 plus 8 is 11, plus 4 more is 15. Now the final step that you have to do here is you need to add up the digits you have in the tens place, your answer for the tens plus your answer for the ones. 90 plus 10 is 100, and 5 more is 105.